Good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning. I'm Norimi Horolan, 37 years old, with living partner, 7 children, 2 daughter and 5 sons.
Okay, what is your education?
I'm finished high school graduate.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 5 brothers and 4 sisters. I'm the eldest.
Okay, so do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, I have in Saudi.
Okay, how many years in Saudi?
I work in Saudi 2 years plus.
2 years. Finished contract?
Finished contract.
What are your job duties there?
All around.
Okay, did you taking care of kids?
Yes, 4 kids.
So what are the ages of kids?
10, 6, 4, 2.
Okay, and then do you work in Kuwait also, right?
Yes, I work in Kuwait.
Did you finish the contract?
No.
What is the reason that you did not finish the contract?
My reason, that's why I'm not finished my contract, because I clean 3 houses, big houses.
I see, okay. So do you also taking care of kids there?
Yes, I'm taking care of 2 kids.
What are the ages of kids?
7 and 3.
So do you all the household chores, like cleaning the house, cooking, ironing?
Yes.
You also do the laundry?
Yes.
Okay, do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will see. I will check the diapers, and then that also the temperature, and sing a song.
Okay, so do you have a long patient for a naughty children?
Yes.
Okay, so in Hong Kong, so there's a newborn baby. Do you know how to taking a bath of the baby?
Yes.
What do you need to prepare?
I prepare lukewarm, towel, and soap. Then I take care of the eyes, and the nose, and the mouth to avoid the water.
Okay. So can you sing a children's song or baby song?
Yes, like a Chinese papa.
Okay, can you sing now?
Okay. Johnny, Johnny, yes, papa. Eating sugar, no, papa. Are you sure? Yes, papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha.
Okay, thank you. So when you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children?
Yes.
Who will take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
If I work in Hong Kong, my mother and my father taking my children and my living partner.
Okay. So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come Hong Kong to earn money and so to support my family and my children.
Do you have any allergy?
No.
So you eat everything, right?
Yes.
Okay. You're scared dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared because I have dog and cats in my house.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yes.
So can you rate your cooking? Is good or excellent?
It's good.
Okay. So are you willing to cook Chinese food?
I want to learn Chinese food and I'm willing to cook also.
Okay. In your previous employer, did you cook also?
Yes.
Okay. So if the employer have a car, are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes.
Okay. If the employer will give you day off and then but sometimes employer will not give you the holiday, can you accept but they will pay you?
Yes.
You have tattoo on your body?
No.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. Can you promise if ever employer required you to keep your hair short? Are you willing?
Yes.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I'm a honest, cheerful, helpful person. I can...
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract and more?
I promise to finish my 2 years contract. As long as my employer needs me, I can...
You can work all the instructions of the employer?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.